Hello guys, it's a beautiful Monday out here guys. What I'm just doing now is waiting to see if the market will continue pushing downwards or if it's gonna break this level here. So if it break this level, I'm going to go out. Okay, so I've already secured some positions. So but actually that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to enlighten us what we should be looking out for in the week which we have entered today being Monday. So what are we going to be looking at for in the market and some few pairs which I trade. So if you're following me, you should know that I trade only few pairs. I don't try to jack all trades. Okay. So this morning we just hooked in the threads that I just showed you. We just hooked into it and we made this. This was the signal which I dropped. So if you've been following me, you should know how I do. I drop my signals. I don't make the market alone. Yeah, the money is not mine, so I don't have to be greedy. Okay, so I share signals. So if you have not subscribed, if you have not joined us, probably I will leave the link below the description of the video. You can join us so that you can always make with us in the free group or probably in the premium group. So let me go back to the chart and tell us what I'll be looking at for in the very weak, which we have kick-started. So what I'm looking at for if you check in 4 hours time frame, you see what the market is doing. So the market did some rejections here, okay, and the movement down started. So this rejection occurred because this resistance here, these rejections here occurred because of a previous resistance. Okay, so if you check up here previously at the past week, you see the resistance up there. So if I'm pulling a horizontal line, okay, so this is what we'll have. So what I'm expecting the market to do is actually what I want to explain to us. And what is that? Having seen this series of rejection up here, so this very week in a couple of days, I'm expecting the market to push down. Okay, I'm expecting the market to push down. Actually, I'm not expecting it to go a long way because this can serve as a kind of W pattern at the bottom here. So if this W pattern holds, that means the market will keep pushing up, probably to an extent of this point. Okay, but notwithstanding, so I'm expecting the market to rally down a little for a kind of reconsideration or a kind of retesting. Okay, so the market will be a little bit retesting to push down a little, probably at this point. So what I'm going to be doing in this very week is to be looking out for opportunities to short the market. Okay, so I have to be looking out for opportunities to short the market. If I get any opportunity, what I should be concentrating much is to short the market. Okay, and remember, we are in uptrend. Having looked at what happened for past days now, the market has been in an uptrend. Okay, so that is on a lower time frame view, the market has been in an uptrend. If I zoom this in, you see what I mean. Okay, so remember what I do is day trading. Okay, so I'm not a swing trader. So for me, this market is an uptrend. Okay, as long as it's above this 200 EMA, is in an uptrend. So far what we're going to be doing is that we're not going to be taking much risk on it. So we'll be risking a little while we wait for the structure to complete. So once the structure is able to complete, then we can now be going in aggressively. But no matter aggressively or whatever, make sure that you keep minimizing your risk. Okay guys, so at this point I'm checking out that the market will still drop more. Okay, probably to this previous resistance turn to support at this very level. So let me pull out this. So I'm expecting it to drop at this just level. But if it doesn't happen, that means what we're going to be have is a kind of range at this very point, which after ranging, we expect it to break out this resistance up or push back down again. So why I'm giving it as a probability is because we don't control the market. What happens is that the market acts and then we react from whatever the market acts. Okay, so I'm expecting this breakout, which is coming now, to push down to this very point. That's what I said. So but if it doesn't happen that way, okay, so I'm going to have some kind of ranging at this very point. we're going to have some kind of ranging at this very point. Then after a little while ranging, we expect a breakout either up or a breakout down. This is the market for you. You don't tell the market what to do. The market does what it likes and will follow whatever the market does. So we'll go it that way. So probably my high probability of staking should be on bearish. So I'll be going more of short than long because I see the probability of the market going down more than it going up. So for that reason, I should be concentrating on shorting the market than going bullish. But it's not actually that the bullish moves will not be there. But I'm saying on my own perspective, on my own idea, the bearish momentum will be more stronger. Having this series of rejections here at this very support level, which if I also draw, I think I still have a sub-psychological level at that same point. Okay, I have a sub-psychological level of 1855 level. Exactly. So this is what I'm talking about. So having this support acting as a sub-psychological level, the resistance, sorry, acting as a sub-psychological level, and the series of rejections, I'm expecting for the market to retrace down here for the week. Okay, I don't know how many couple of hours it's gonna take you to do that, or how many couple of days it's gonna take you to do that, but that's what I'm anticipating. That's number one. Number two is having a kind of reconciliation, a ranging market here before a breakout. Okay, so these are the two things I'm expecting from this market, guys. What I'm giving you is a probability. I'm not saying that it's gonna be 100% sure that the market is going to add according to my perspective or according to my explanation, but I'm just saying it that from my own view, that's what I'm expecting that it will do. So what you're going to do on your own side is for you to just like cross check, backtest, then also use your own strategy to validate and get opportunities. So the market, what it does is that it favors both the buys and the sells. There is no one-sided movement in the market. There's no one-sided movement in the market. So that is what I'm checking out to see in this one. So guys, you guys see what is happening in the market right now. As I told you guys that the market will be coming to this zone. Okay, so that's exactly what happened. So at this point, after the testing, I had to make one more position entry. And looking at it now, here is where the market is. So at this very point, I'm looking out for the market to do a kind of consolidation and continue going down. But if that did not happen, you know that the market is going to reverse to go upward. So I just want to update us on what is happening in the market. Okay, so that is it, guys. So the main thing, guys, as I told you earlier, is for you to understand what you're looking at for. Once you know what you're looking at for, believe me, the market is going to pay you. So you guys should just keep it peeping. Okay, just keep the pips flowing. So see you guys in the next video. Okay, away.